I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
Hello people and hello universe, it's me again. My goodness mga kababayan, this is good news for all the Filipino peoples guys. Siyempre proud na proud tayo kaya Kaloy. Nako, talaga namang hinakot niya mga kababayan ng ginto sa gymnastic pagdating sa men na category. Agay mga best, congratulations, another gold for Carlos Yulo sa vault mga kababayan. Yung kagabi naman sa floor gymnastic naman, ay nako, ewan ko na lang, napaka proud bilang isang Pilipino na mayroon tayong isang napakagaling naman lalaro pagdating sa gymnastic mga kababayan. Nako, history ito, biro nyo dalawang gold mga best, and congratulations sa kanyang coach, kay siyempre sa ating magiting naman lalaro, and of course sa lahat ng mga athlete ng mga Pinoy. Nako, talaga naman mga bes, grabe, nakakatindig balahiboy talaga to si Kaloy. Lagi niyang binabanggit ang Panginoon, God first. Tingnan nyo sobrang blessing sa bagong administration ngayon. At grabe kasi ang suporta mga kababayan, talagang alagang-alaga itong mga atleta na ito. Nako, ano po guys ang masasabi nyo dito sa batang ito? Talagang dalawang ginto. Nako, ito basahin natin para kumpleto Ricardo mga kababayan. Ayan sabi ng PCO guys ang galing ng Pinoy. Maraming salamat Carlos Ejel Yulo. Naku, sobrang proud ang mga parents nito. Siyempre ang daming hirap ito guys pagdating sa training, di basta-basta din. Nako, ang sabi po dito, Philippine Sport Commission, second gold medal victory. Ay nako, talagang sobrang saya ko. Carlos Yulo is now a double gold medalist at the Paris 2024 Olympic as he reigned supreme in the men's artistic gymnastic vault finals. Oh guys, grabe. Carlos is isa kang tunay na bida ang bayaning manlalaro kung ang laban ay para sa inang bayan. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ka. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo naman. Wow, Kaloy, talaga naman guys, grabe. Sobrang may celebration ito mga besa pagdating nila sa Pilipinas, and of course kasama ang ating mga ibang atleta at isa pa mga kababayan babasahin ko mamaya yung ibibigay sa kanya na tumataginting na 24 million na kondo dyan po sa BGC ng Mega World. Naku, talaga naman ang daming premyo ito pagdating sa Pilipinas. So, ngayon guys, ay pakita na. Ito guys, yung sinabi ng GMA News Look, here are some of the rewards of prizes Carlos Yulo is set to receive as of this writing. More could be in a store as was the case with the country first gold medalist Hidilyn Diaz 3 years ago. She received additional plates of reward from both the government and the private sector following her win at the Tokyo. Yan ang ginawa din kay Hidilyn Diaz nung nanalo siya ng ginto diyan sa Tokyo nung 2020 Olympics. Ito shortcut na lang natin. Carlos Yulo prizes for winning gold in the Olympics. Tingnan nyo naman mga beso, 10 million yan, di ba? At ito pa Olympic gold medalist of valor from the Philippine Sport Commission and house and lot provided by the Philippines Olympic Committee, and of course guys, condominium unit from the Property Development Company. Yan yata yung BGC, pero basahin ko yun, okay? Wow, congratulations in advance kay Kaloy. Yun mga kababayan, Mega World to reward its Filipino gold medalist, Olympic medalist with 24 million fully furnished BGC condo, Manila, Philippines, August 1, 2024, recognizing their extraordinary pursuit of excellence property Giant Mega World is set to reward its Filipino gold medalist at the 2024 Paris Olympic Games with a fully furnished two-bedroom residential condominium unit valued at 24 million inside the company 50 hectares McKinley Hill Township in Taguig. Social. Pangmayaman talaga guys ha. Itong mga taginting na 24 milyones ang halaga. Two-bedroom pa. Diyan pa sa BGC. Wow, social. The township in home to the famous Venice Grand Canal, one of the most photographed malls in the country. Wow, social. Nako, this 24, we are celebrating our 100 year. O biro nyo, 100 year of participation in the Olympic. Wow, social guys. Kaya naman, ayan, 100 years. Kaya dalawang gold medal kaagad, ano? Olympic Games. And what way to celebrate this milestone that you recognizing the super big competitive spirit of our newest Olympic gold medalists and welcome them to McKinley Hills as one of the most celebrated address in Fort Bonifacio, McKinley Hills, in home to several world-class athletics including members of the Philippine national teams for basketball and football. This makes it perfect home for Filipinos champions who live a life of passion and excellence true says Laudersti Gutierrez Alfonso, President of Mega World. Si Mr. Tan ang CEO dito, mga kababayan, ang may-ari, no? So dahil dito mga kababayan, ayan, no? Lahat yung ito ay pangalan ng mga atleta, no? Yan, 22 athlete pala yan. Lahat yan pangalan nila. And McKinley Hills is one of 4 Mega World Township development within Fort Bonifacio and currently enjoys the distinction as one of the company biggest township in Metro Manila. It is home to exclusive McKinley Hills Villages, residential condos, and Belia office towers, schools, foreign embassies at the McKinley Hills Football Stadium. Ay, social guys, ha? Nako, Kaloy, ito na yung reward para sa'yo at marami pang iba yung nabasa natin. So, yun guys, thank you Mega World and congratulations sa ating bansang Pilipinas at syempre kay Yolo sa kanyang pamilya. See you again guys on my next upload video. Bye and babush. God bless Philippines.